Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily check your Wi-Fi speed, internet speed on your phone. So let's open Safari and just write in Google, just go to google.com and just write here check internet speed. So you can also try maybe some another website, but I will try this first. So just tap here, and now you just need to wait some time until it will analyze your speed of internet and just show to you speed you also have on your internet. So just wait some time. So here you can see my speed 9.9 megabytes per second. So this is the speed of my internet. So just try, I hope it will help you. Thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.